There's Matt right there. And what are we doing right now, Matt?
We're heading over to Wolford to look at the Trane Voieger.
Yep, and there's Zeus, which, as you guys know, is Matt's dog. So we're gonna cut in between this house right here for a shortcut. And we're gonna take a look at the air conditioner. Here's the air conditioner.
I'm gonna take the dog out here.
Air conditioner is a York. I've gotten yelled at for going in between houses like that before. But, well, there's my teacher's house right there. Well, it was someone that lives on my street, actually. I was looking at the air conditioner and, I don't know, I just got busted. Well, we got one running over here. Here's a carrier right here. Here's this one, it's running. York. I don't know, the people that lived in that house moved out a while ago and they weren't very nice when they lived there. That's why. That's why they yelled at me pretty much. They weren't very nice people. But typically people don't really care if you go in between their house.
Yeah.
There's a train running back there. Not gonna go back there, but because I don't feel like wrestling with that bush.
Were the people who yelled at you old?
I think they were kind of old. There's some back there. Come on, Zeus.
Come on, Zeus.
The people that live in this house, there's a person in that house that really kind of makes me mad sometimes. Dude, that kid strangled me one time. Remember that?
In that house?
Yeah, I remember last year over Thanksgiving break when I knocked on your door and that kid was chasing me and
yeah.
Well, that's who lives in that house. There's a Goodman back there. I'm not gonna go back there either because it's kind of out of our way. We want to get over to Wolford so we can get a picture of the train before my camera runs out of memory. Sorry. You know, I have a feeling that the train might be running today, actually. I don't know. Ooh.
I'm surprised.
Yeah, I wouldn't be.
It's sort of warm out here.
It actually is. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, and plus, I'd imagine that that they'd be there. Oh, I think I might hear it running. What about you? Let's go see. Don't you run out of memory, camera, in case this thing is running. It sounds like it is.
That might be those air conditioners.
Oh, dang it.
Well, it's over here.
Yeah, it could still be running. Windy. The wind blew down Matt's fence last night. Yeah, it doesn't sound like it's running. But I guess we can still take a look at it. Yeah, it's not running. But yeah. Is it really?
Yeah, I think it is running.
Oh, it's just, I don't know what it's doing. I think we get into trouble if we went in there.
There's a lot of people watching. I don't know.
Yeah. Better not go in
We'll
there.
have to come back over the weekend.
Let's see if I can stick my camera in there. Get a picture. Oh no, you guys can't really see it, I'm sure, so. Well, oh, I thought it was open right there. I don't know. I don't think it's running. I think it's just kind of cooling itself down a little bit. I think the fan is just running.
Yeah, probably.
Some air conditioners do that, especially big ones like that one. Alright, so there are the dumpsters over there.
You gonna go to the Wolford Carnival?
Wolford Carnival, yeah, I'm thinking so, but let's see, what's it say? Sorry, Matt. Let's show our love for Landon. Queen Drive starts on Monday, which was, I'm guessing that they're talking about last Monday.
Who's Landon?
One of the kindergarten teachers' babies.
Is he like sick or something?
He's really sick, I think. He's really sick for how young he is. Wow, that's a good picture. Well, you want to go down there to him, or do you want to just stay up here? Okay. I think this is going to be a pretty good video. What do you think? Come on, Zeus. This is the butterfly garden, which I don't know. Zeus, come on. Don't do like what you did on Saturday. Yeah. Here are a bunch of York heat pumps over here. Let's look at this one. Man, that one is in terrible shape. That one's in good shape. All these are in bad shape, and then that big one is for the Hollander stream. None of them are running, so there's a windmill.
Be cool, like, I'm pretty sure that I could turn this into a powered battery. It wouldn't be that hard.
Maybe. On my camera, it doesn't look like it's spinning at all. Well, on my camera, it doesn't look like it's spinning very fast, actually. Wow. There's Zeus. Yeah. So you know what me and TM Brandish used to do?
What?
We used to actually come over here and like kick the dumpster. Yeah. That's what we used to do.
Kick the dumpster, like literally kick it?
Yeah, kick it. Go right up next to it and kick it. But you probably would have to wear shoes like Matt is wearing right now. Tennis shoes, I don't know. And that door right there is obviously going to be locked. I'm sure it is locked. I'm not even going to try it because I'm sure we've all been inside of a school And this one is just a basic school. Literally. Basic. Yep. Plain old elementary school. And it looks like Club 360 is out here. But here are some more heat bumps over here. There's Matt and Zeus. There's all the Club 360 kids. I keep wanting to say Cub 360. I keep wanting to say Cub 360. But that's Club 360 over there. I have no idea.
Maybe might be called it because you have to pay $50.
Oh, maybe. I don't know. There's no saying why it's called that. This school, I found out, was built in 2000. Right on the dot. 2000. Well, I think they started building it in 1998, but I think it opened in 2000. There's the Gaga pits. Over there, you can see all the Club 360 kids having fun. You want to walk over to, you want to walk in this field? Oh, yeah, Matt is reading the rules to Gaga. There's the lake right there. There's Matt, Zeus. Hey, Zeus. He's a German Shepherd. See the moon up there. See the pond. Is this thing even attached? Yeah, it actually is. Pause to read if you want to see how to play Gaga. You know, in my opinion, Gaga is just one of the stupidest things ever invented.
Yeah, it is a pretty silly game.
I know. I don't know if anything can beat Gaga.
What?
I don't think that anything can be worse than Gaga. Anyway. So you want to walk in the soccer field real quick?
Yep.
And then we can end the video. Let's see if we see any of these Club 360 kids that we know. I might know some of them. I doubt it, though. Hopefully I don't see Drew Stutler. I hope he...